I would like it to be known that I just chugged an 8-ounce can of sugar-free Red Bull. So we'll see how this video goes. What is up, everyone? It's your boy Kai, back with another video. Listen, I know I didn't post on Tuesday, but I was having trouble uploading the video, and to be completely honest, the video didn't turn out how I wanted it, and the makeup didn't really turn out exactly how I wanted it to. So, yeah, that's why. Also, my hair is getting really long, as we can tell. I'm gonna be getting a haircut soon, so we'll stay tuned for that. So for this video, I figured I'd do, considering the holidays are coming up, a red look. Yeah. Also, I am trying a new angle, a new filming angle. So let me know down below how you like this angle a little bit more. Hair's clipped back. I look like a mushroom right now. I promise it'll get better at the end. It always does. I promise. All right, so we're gonna prep the skin with the Farsali liquid glass, and then we're also going to be using the milk, what is it called? Yeah, the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Okay, so I was right. I just second guessed myself because that's what I do all the time. All right, next we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N. Next, I'm going to be going in with my NARS concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.8. Next, we're going to be going in with the Sephora Baked Face Compact in the shade Light 15. And we're just going to be powdering the face with that. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, we're going to be going in with the Violet Voss Berry Burst Mini Palette. It's so cute. Can you guys see? I love this palette. I actually kind of forgot I had this palette, but I'm excited to use it again. All right, so I'm just going to be applying this deep red shade down in the right corner in a V shape around the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking a very little amount of the deep brown shade, and I'm just going to be deepening that outer corner just a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking the two shimmer shades in the bottom left corner, and I'm going to be applying that all over the lid. Next, I'm going to be taking just the outside pearly shade, and I'm going to be applying that on the lower lash line. Next, going in with that deep brown shade, again, I'm going to be using that as liner, and I'm going to be lining the outside 1/3 of my eyes, as well as adding a little bit to the inner corners. Next, I'm going to be doing mascara. I'm going to be using my eyelash curler as well as my CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara and just giving my lashes a good coating. All right, eyes are done. Time for brows. Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, shade 4.5. Next, we're going to be taking the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in shade 3. I'm just going over my eyebrows just to set everything in place. All right, so now I'm just going to take this blush palette that I made from Makeup Forever, and we're gonna take this deep one right here, and we're gonna be putting these all up on the higher parts of the cheeks. And then we're also just gonna put a little bit on the tip of the nose as well. All right, and last but not least for lips, I'm gonna be going in actually with the Peripera Airy Ink Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Legendary Brown Red, number 9. And we're gonna be applying this to the center of the lips and then blending outwards. All right, that's all for the face. I'm gonna go fix my hair and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, that is it for the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I might start posting only on Saturdays now, just because I am really busy and filming 2 videos a week is a lot. Also, hit that like button and leave a comment down below on a video that you guys would like to see in the future. But on that note, I will leave you to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.